what's up, y'all? YouTube. This is Kai Star. For one, I think he might need a bigger bike too. That's probably part of the problem, but we're gonna take that. So we're gonna try anyway, though.
Can I show him how to ride my bike with train wheels?
No, we don't want to see how to ride with train wheels. That's easy. We want to teach the kids how to ride without training wheels, right?
Yup.
So now you're gonna have to learn how to ride without training wheels.
Yep.
Okay? This is part one of our learning video. We probably gonna practice every day until he gets it right. So I'm about to take these off. So our first tip is, I told him to practice walking the bike. This is gonna help him get balanced. Yeah, keep doing it. Keep doing it. He's just gonna walk the bike and balance. Try to keep the bike straight so it ain't leaning. That's the point of you doing this. Yeah. They keep it balanced so he can learn how to keep the bike straight before he learns how to pedal. So this is helping you keep the bike straight. Good job. So you can sit on the bike and you just use both feet side to side and go. So now I told him to walk the bike and then let it coast. So I told him to let it roll without his feet touching the ground. Then you lift your feet up. Yep.
Hello, YouTube. Remember what I was doing yesterday, so I'm doing it again. As you see me.
This is day 2.
Yeah. Just guys, I can do it the longest time. Oh!
There you go. Good job. Good.
And comment down below, say good if I did good. Go. First you do that.
Yep, and then you just let it go. Then you just let it roll.
And then you keep going. Keep going.
1, 2.
That was good, Dad.
It's all even.
That was so good. I did good.
I'm just a little one trying to pop bullies. Slow down. Hit the brakes. Turn back. Pedal backwards. Kai.
Pedal backwards.
Yeah. 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 You did the whole sidewalk.
Oh, yay! That was so good. I'm winning already.
After 2 days, what? 1 day.
That was so good.
You gotta do the brakes though, so you don't fall. Or you could, like you did, turn into the grass. That way it'll slow you down until you know how to do the brakes. Cause you need to learn how to do the brakes. You did good. You did this whole sidewalk, boy.
I kept going.
You did.
I said use my brakes,
You don't
and
need
I
to-
kept going.
Yeah, you did. Good job. I'm proud of you.
I know how to